In the discussion of logarithm and use of log tables. All of you know logarithm is equal to exponent. Log of n is equal to x to the base a, then n is equal to a raised to x. 10 square is 100. 2 is called log of 100 to the base 10. 10 cube is 1000. 3 is called log of 1000 to the base 10. Index or exponent or power is known as logarithm of number with respect to some base. We can use the rules of logarithm in exponential and logarithmic form to make our calculations very simple. Suppose 10 raised to x is equal to 741.1. Can we tell easily what is x? Which power of x is this number 741.1? We can't tell exactly very easily, but we can judge this is number less than 1000. As 10 raised to 3 is 1000, this x will be less than 2. It will be 2 point something. 2 points. Suppose y. Now let us study how to find the logarithm of this number. This 2 we have found from these 3 digits. Count this 1, 2, 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So indexed is 2 point. Next value, decimal value, we have to see in the logarithmic table. Let us see this value. This is a page of log table in which we can see the value of. While looking the log, we have to consider the first 2 digits. This row of 74 we have to search here on the logarithmic page. In the row of 74, under column of third digit and fourth digit, we have to see the value under the column of first one and second one, and add these values under these columns corresponding to row 74. Then we will get the log of this number 741.1, and adding characteristics, these characteristics that we have calculated orally by rule, and mantissa we see here under these columns. Add these characteristics and mantissa and we get total log of this number 741.1 to the base 10. Let us see, search for the row of 74. See, 74, row of 74, under column 1, the value is 0.8698, and next column 1 to 9 has value 1. Add this 1 to this value 0.8698. Then we get total decimal part 0.8699, and add this value to characteristics 2 and we get total value 2.8699. Hence total index or power of 10 is 2.8699, and 10 raised to 2.8699 is 741.1, means log of 741.1 is 2.8699. Let us look for 10 raised to x is equal to 10 raised to 15. We know that 10 raised to 1 is 10. So 10 raised to x is equal to 10 raised to 15 will give the power x greater than 1 point something. This is characteristics 1. This we have counted from these digits. Count the digits 1, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. and hence characteristics is 1 plus decimal part we have to see on this page. Row 10, value of row 10 under column 1 and 5 we have to add. Yes, under the row 10 value 1 under the column 1 0.043 and here under 5 it is 21. Add these values and we get here value 1.0064. 1.0064 is the power or index. It is known as log of 10.15 to the base 10. Next, let us see log of 2.135. Characteristics of this number is 0 because there is one digit. 1 minus 1 is 0, and value of this log for the row 21 in 3 5 is seen here. Value of 21 for the row 21 in 3 for this column 3 3075 0.3075 plus under 5 there is 10. Add these two values and we get here 0.3284 plus 0.0010 is equal to 0.3294. Again see 0.3284 yes 0.3284 plus this is 0.0010. Here all decimals are not shown due to places. We have to consider it as decimal, and so total value is this 0.3294 is log of 2.135. Like this way we have to find out characteristics, index before decimal and after decimal. How to find characteristics for number less than 1? For this we have to count the number of zeros between decimal point and first non-zero digit, and characteristics will be equal to minus of number of zeros plus 1. Let us say, suppose there is a number 0.00001, 0.01, all less than 1. For first number 0.01, number of zeros between decimal and first non-zero digit is 1. 0 is 1. So minus of 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is the characteristics of this number. Power of 10 is minus 2. Then 0.001 has 2 zeros, 1, 2 after decimal, and hence characteristics is minus of 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So this is 10 raised to minus 3. 0.0001 has 3 zeros. So characteristics is minus of into bracket 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. So this number is also 10 raised to minus 4. And number 0.1 has number of zeros between decimal and first digit non-zero digit as 0. So characteristics is minus of into bracket 0 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this number is also 10 raised to minus 1. Let us see again revise. Log of 256 is equal to characteristics plus mantissa. Characteristics is 1 2 3 minus 1 is 2 point. We have to see the row of 25 under the column 6 and 0 and add these two values. This will give 0.4080 and total value is 2.4080. Log of 25.6 is characteristics plus mantissa. Characteristics of this number is 1 and mantissa is like for row 25 in 60 as 4080 and logarithm of this number is 1.4080. Log of 2.56 is characteristics plus mantissa. Characteristics for this number is 0 and mantissa is 4080, hence total logarithm is 0.4080. Let us take a number less than 1. Characteristics for this number is minus 1 and log of this number is for row 25 in 60 is 0.4080. It is equal to, this bar represent the negative value. It will be bar 1 point, there is bar means minus value on 1.4080 and log of 0.02560 is equal to, characteristics here is minus 2. So it is represented by bar on 2. This bar is on 2, this bar is on 1. Bar means negative, minus characteristics. Point for row 25 in 60 value is 4080. Log of 15 to the base 10 is its characteristics 1 point, characteristics 1 and mantissa from log table is 0.176. So here characteristics represents the power or exponential before decimal and mantissa represents exponential after decimal. These characteristics we have to calculate orally by rules by counting the either number of digits or number of zeros, and this mantissa we have to see on the logarithmic page. Let us multiply using log table. 2014 multiplied by 5166 is how much? Let us take one number as m and second number as n. Use log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log n, and antilog of this number will give us the value of multiplication. Let us calculate. While performing the logarithmic calculation, simple method is to perform the calculation vertically, so there will be less mistake, no mistake at all. Write the numbers, given numbers in the columns and find out their logs, characteristics and mantissa, and in the multiplication we have used the sum rule, so make sum and add the logs of these two number, and when you will see the antilog you will get a number which correspond to a multiplication. Log of 2014 is characteristics plus mantissa. Characteristics of this number is 3. It has 4 digits and it is greater than 1. 1 2 3 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 point. Log of 20 under column 1 and 4 is 3040. Log of 5166 is 3.7131 and their sum is 7.0171, and antilog of this number is seen like this. This is a index power of 10. While looking the log, we have subtracted 1 from number of digits. For looking the antilog, we have to add 1 and write here as power of 10. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And look the antilog of 0 1 in 7 1 on the antilog page. Antilog of this 0 1 for column 0 1 in 7 1, add this 0 here and we will get 0.1040. Yes, 0.1040 as the antilog of this number, and this is the multiplication of this number. You can try very easily. For practice of log table, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Write the numbers, both numbers 2 into, write both the numbers 2 and 2. See the log. Characteristics of this number is 0 and mantissa of 20. This number we have to consider as 2.0000, 2.0000, and look the value of log of 2.00. To see the log of 2.0000, here look the row of 20. In 0, value is 0.3010, and again there is no column of 0 here, so don't add anything. So logarithm of 20 is this value 0.3010. Yes, this value. Add this to their sum. Multiplication will give the sum according to log sum rule. So value is 0.6020, and see the antilog of this sum, antilog of 0.6020. Before decimal there is 0, add 1, so power of 10 will be 1, which is multiplied to antilog. And see the antilog of 60 in 20. Antilog of this, antilog of 60, look for the row of 60 in 2 under column 2, it is 0.3999, and there is no column of 0, so total value is 0.399. And it is nearly 4. By simple examples you can practice log table. You know the definite answer, you can match. Let us take division. 31.78 divided by 22.11 is how much? Use here log of m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. You can see there are two numbers, 31.78 and 22.11. We have to subtract their logs. See logs in the log table, subtract and see the antilog of this subtraction. You will get the division as 1.437. Let us see log of 31.78. Look the row of 31. Value under the column 7 is 0.5011 and value under 8 is 11. Add this 11 here, so total will be 0.5022. Yes, 0.5022 is the log of 31.78. Log of 22.11. Look for the row 22. Under column 1 value is 0.3444 and under column 1 there is 2. So add this 2 here as 0.002 and total value is 0.3446. Subtract these two. Subtraction is 0.1576. Antilog of 0.1576 is this. Power of 10 is add 1 to 0, so 10 raised to 1, and antilog page gives the value of, for the row 0.15, value under 7 yes is this 0.1435 and add 2 under column 6, so value is 0.147, sorry 0.1437. 0.1437 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 is 1.437 is answer of this division. Try this. 40 upon 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. You know, you can check the logarithmic rules. Numbers are 40 and 2. See the log of these two and subtract the logs and see the antilog of this. Antilog of this subtraction will be division 20. Let us see log of 40. Characteristics is 1 and 40, row of 40 under the column 0 0 will give you value 60 20 16021. Let us see log of 40 and log of 2 is seen as log of 2.0000. So first two digits are 20. Row of 20 under 0th column will give 0.3010 and there is no column of 0 in the end, so total value is 0.3010. Next, log of 40. 40.00, row 40 under the column 0 will give value 0.6021 and there is no column of 0 in the next and fourth digit, so total value 0.6021. Yes, these are log of 40 and log of 2. Subtract these two. Subtraction is 1.3011. Antilog of this 0.3011 from antilog table is, look for the row of 0.30 in 1. So here you can see value 0.2000 and there is no column of 0 in add. So total value is 0.2000. Yes. Antilog of 1.3011 is 0.200 and power of 10 is 2. Add 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the division is 20. So today we have seen in index 2.8699 the index before decimal is known as characteristics and index after decimal is known as mantissa. Index before decimal is calculated by counting the digits or number of zeros in numbers, and the index after the decimal is calculated by looking the value of row which correspond to first two digits and under the column of third digits and fourth digits. Add these column values and for that row and we get the index or power after the decimal, and this is the logarithm of a given number. Characteristics plus mantissa gives logarithm of a given number. You can calculate log of 100 to the base 10 also. Characteristics here it is 2 as there are 3 digits 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and look for the row of 10 in under the column 0, 100.000. There is no column of 0, so value will be only in value of row under the column 0, which is 0.0000. Hence characteristics plus mantissa is 2.0000 means 2, and hence 10 square is 100 or log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. In the next video we will use the logarithmic table to find out reciprocals, sine, cosines, trigonometric values. Thank you.